All right, everyone, we're going to do engineer filters on your BMW X5M or your BMW X5 X-Drive 50i. Now this applies for the twin turbo V8 engines. If you're just a X-Drive 50i, it will be the 2014s and up. If you have an X5M, obviously it's the 2015 and up. All right, so let's get started. First thing you need, obviously, your filters. I ordered the filters. I'm gonna link this in the description where I ordered them from. And the next thing is you're gonna need a Torx T25, okay? I'll link this in the description as well. You're gonna need to remove all these screws. So let's get to that. Once those screws are loose, you can then pry off this piece. You can see the filters are exposed. One more Torx screw here in the middle. Take note of how these are stacked. When you order these filters, make sure you order the right and left filter that's appropriate. You know, you don't want to order two left filters or two right filters, so these should just pop right out. Okay, that was easy. You can see how dirty they are. And then the left filter. Okay. You can see the filters here. And then you got your new filter. I'm gonna put this in here just like this. That's all it needs to do. Sit right there. Then the other side, the left filter is like its last, based on the tabs. Okay, you just work that in there until it sits flush. And then you just put your center screw back in and put everything back together. All right, what I like to put all the screws in first, make sure they're all seated properly before I go ahead and tighten them down. So last step, and it's a good idea also to wipe out the covers and stuff from all the little dust. Just helps the engine have a little neater appearance. All right, so that's engine air filters. Now, if you guys want to see cabin air filters, click the link right there. And then that will take you to the cabin filters. All right, so thanks for watching. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Helps me, helps channel. And check out my other DIYs I have with the X5. Thanks so much for watching.